Hello. Well, here I've got a Chubb 5 lever, taking the screws out. I'm going to open it up. It's not too bad inside. So what I'm going to do is, having been inspired to do the previous lock, decided I'm going to convert this one. There's already a hole here. I may have done that, I don't remember. So I'm going to make this so it's like a cutaway mortise lock for practicing lever lock picking. So keep watching, enjoy the video. Okay, first thing I did was mark out and cut the holes, basic shape. And then I used the little Dremel to cut out the rest of it. Then I started to file it around to get the shape. And this is the final shape with the edges tidied up. Then I took off the cover, the paint cover on the front, because I wanted to have that metal bit. That's me testing it on the actual lock itself, just to see which position right. Now I'm going to spray. I actually sprayed 3 coats on this, but I'm only showing you one. I think it looks good like this actually. These are the lock parts, all separated. Yeah, I'm giving a super quick clean up using this sanding block. Just get some of the rubbish off, and then once I've got most of the rubbish off, I'm going to start to get out the old polish. There it is. I'm just giving it a rub, gentle, like a bit of a nice gentle rub. Vigorous one though, and then with a bit of clean cloth I just wipe it down. So I give a decent job on the front, and I just do a light one on the back because I want to kind of, don't want to make it all too slippy and smooth. There you go, that's what it looks like. Did them all like that. Same process for the bolt. Bit of a tidy up, and then I'm going to get out the polish. Once I'm happy with this, that'll do. And then I'm going to get out the polish. Same process again, give it a bit of a rub down. It's actually not brass polish I'm using, but because it's what I had at hand. Does a decent job actually. So that's what you can see. It's just giving it a nice little shine actually. So I do this with all the parts until the whole thing is done. And this is a quick walkthrough showing you all the bits all cleaned up. That's the front plate that looked absolutely manky. And that's what you end up with. It looks a bit nice, clean and tidy. A bit better now, isn't it? That's lever 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we're left with, when I put it all together, I'll show you a quick snapshot of what it looks like all together, and then I'll just do the talkie for the final video. There it is. What do you think? Let me know. So there we are. It's finished. Kind of semi-shined this up, so it still kept some of like a bit of a roughness to it, rather than just keep polishing. Left a little strip down the middle just to give it a bit of character. Clean up the front, that was quite a job. Clean up the bolt, and a bit of clean on the back, so it's clean and tidy. Clean inside. One thing you will notice with this lock, which I didn't mention in the intro, is that here's the pivot point for the levers. And if you notice when it was separated, that normally you pick this way with your pick wire, and it swivel, and the levers swivel from this end. But on this lock, it actually goes that way. Now you can lift them this way, but it's a bit more difficult. So this is the kind of lock you would actually pick from this way and lift the levers like this. And a really good locksmith would identify this lock in through a keyway and be able to pick it the right way. most of us wouldn't realise and wouldn't know. But there you go. Anyway, this is a lock to be picked on a bench. Practice lock to practice picking. No false gates in this. Very nice Chubb. So this will make a great practice lock. So at some point, let's do a pick on this. Thanks for watching. Take care. You have a nice day. And I'll catch you again soon. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.